Hi guys, it's Willie the BBQ Coach, and I just got back from the HPBE show in Louisiana. I got my alligator shirt on, and I had a fantastic trip there and enjoyed some nice southern hospitality. And I wanted to share with you my picks for the top 5 grills at the HPBE show that sell for under $4,000, and I think give an amazing value and some of the best features about these grills. And let's get started. Also, as a bonus, I found 2 amazing pizza ovens from Somerset Grills and Fire Magic that I'd also like to share at the end of this video. Number 5, Blaze LTE grills with a rear burner and lights and 14,000 BTUs. The Blaze Grills company is owned by the same company that owns BBQ Guys, who promotes the grill like it's not theirs, which is a little shaky and untrustworthy. Number 4, American-made Atlas grills. This grill is made in America and very well constructed with U burners. However, our number 2 choice, you get a much better H burners for around the same price. Number 3, the Somerset Sizzler Pro, redesigned with a vertical front facing and tons of top quality features with heat zone separators, 14,000 BTU cast burners, and interior lights. The Sizzler Pro has always been a really dependable, high quality grill with a great warranty, and you can be sure that it's a great value for this price. Number 2, Wildfire Grill. This is the grill I would buy for my own outdoor kitchen. It's a great price, around $4,000, and it comes with H burners, which is very, very high quality burners you can see here in the video. And it's a very well constructed grill. Everything is high quality like a Fire Magic Echelon, but for a much lower price. And number 1 pick is True Flame Grills. I love these True Flame grills. They're calling it the Blaze Killer because it's got all the bells and whistles, and it has a special mechanism that can let the hood open partially for cooking, which is really amazing for people that love to cook at different temperatures. For pizza ovens, my first choice is the number 1 Somerset pizza oven. This was an amazing looking pizza oven, and it burns wood, or you can cook with the natural gas. This is a really nice pizza oven. And number 2 pick was Fire Magic. This is a very high-end pizza oven, and it's around $6,000 to $7,000 compared to that Somerset pizza oven, which is only $3,299. So I think I would just have to go with the Somerset pizza oven, and that's my best choices for